let me teach you how to change your Deezer's password. If you're trying to create a strong password and would like to change the current password that you have inside of your Deezer's account, let me show you the quick process. Open up the app of Deezer's and head over to the profile section on the top left. From this profile section, tap on the settings option on the top right and head over to account management. Inside of the account management list, you'll see the option called change password. If you tap on the change password option, it's going to say that it wants to confirm your identity, so it will send a verification code in the email address that is linked or that you've used inside of Deezer's. Just tap on the send code button and a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Once you type in the verification code that has been sent, this is the section where you can update your password. So type in the new password that you like to change and then again repeat the password for confirmation. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters as well as special characters. So type in your new password in both of these boxes or these sections and you'll be able to tap on save changes. As soon as you do that, your password of Deezer's will be immediately changed and you'll be logged out of your account. So you can use the new password that you just created to log in back to your Deezer account. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.